In this video we'll shuffle a deck of cards. So I am going to import itertools as well as random module. Okay, now I am going to make the deck of card. Okay, so let's show list itertools, okay, dot product, and let's put a range from 1 to 14. Okay, because there are 13 cards, so we have to put the range from 1 to 14. Now we'll put spades. Okay, spade, let's put heart, diamond, and club. Okay, so this is our deck. So let's shuffle using the random. Okay, random dot shuffle deck. Okay, now we'll draw 5 cards. So let's print. Okay, you have got, and let's put a space. Okay, so I'm going to make a for statement for I in range of 5. Okay, so we'll print deck, let's put I and 0, and then off, and let's put a here deck of I and 1. Okay, so let's run the program. So you can see 3 of heart, 4 of spade, 1 of diamond, 6 of spade, and 5 of club. So we use the product function in itertools module to create a deck of cards. This function performs the Cartesian product of the 2 sequences. Okay, so the 2 sequences are number from 1 to 13 and the 4 suits. So altogether we have 13 into 4, that is 52 items in the deck, with each card as a tuple. Okay, so our deck is ordered. So we shuffle it using the shuffle function in the random module. Okay, finally we draw the first 5 cards and display it to the user.